In this video I'm going to show you how to listen to an audio file on iPhone. So let's for the beginning, let's just test a random voice note. Testing, this is a voice note. And now if I want to play it back, I just need to click on the play button, and as you can see, it's playing from my earphone when you play it or like that. If I click on this, then it will play from the speaker, and that's it. Also make sure that this thing is turned on so that it's not on mute, so that it's on silent mode so you can hear it even better. And also make sure that this is all the way up and that this is actually on your iPhone and that you're not connected on some random speaker wherever you are. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.